down here. And I think we are, is it? Oh,
it says pause.
so what do I do? Oh, that's if we want to pause it. It should be recording. So we should.
Okay, hi, this is Mrs. Pitzer here. And have you seen my video with the parts of the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, so let's go over it. Do we know what this is for the pumpkin? Do you remember? The leaf, right. It would grow right on the pumpkin. And this is called a tendril or part of the vine. So we had a little squiggly, we call it pipe cleaner to use because the vine wasn't attached to the pumpkin when Mrs. Miller got it. Does anyone remember what this part is?
Pumpkin.
What this part of the pumpkin is?
The stem.
The stem, yay, way to go. Do we remember what this part is?
The pumpkin.
It's hard, it sounds hollow. It begins with a sh. A sh.
I can't see nothing.
The shell. Can you see the shell?
Shell.
That's the shell. Now, we got lots of stuff that's in the pumpkin.
The stem.
Oh, it's so gooey. Ugh. Do you remember what these are?
Seeds.
They're seeds. That's right. There's pumpkin seeds in there. And do you remember this gooey stuff? This gooey stuff with the seeds. It begins with a P, the pulp. The pulp. Can you say pulp?
Pulp.
Pulp.
Does anyone out there, this is a big, big question. Does anyone know where else you find pulp? It's something you drink sometimes.
Orange juice.
Oh,
Yay! Kiss your brain.
You gotta kiss your brain. Nice job. Mrs. Miller does not like pulped orange juice.
Me either. But who has pumpkins at home right now?
Me.
You wave your hand. Yes, P for pumpkin. So we are going to talk about, we're not going to carve the pumpkin. We're going to show you a carved pumpkin, okay? Because an adult would have to carve it for you using something like this. It's like a knife. Because it has to carve into the pumpkin. So Mrs. Miller, are you ready?
So last night, I am not good at carving pumpkins, but Mr. Miller, fortunately, and Sam are very good at carving pumpkins. So I had them last night carve a pumpkin for us today. Check out our pumpkin. What kind of emotion? How do you think our pumpkin is feeling?
Good.
Good? What makes you think he's feeling good and happy?
The face.
That's right.
The
That's
face?
right.
What kind of expression does he have? Does he have
Happy.
He has a
Happy face. Show me a happy face.
Yay! So how many eyes does he have?
Two.
Two. Good job. And how many noses?
One.
One nose and a big mouth. So that was pretty fun. So then they also left inside for Mrs. Miller, deep inside. Check it out.
Pumpkin seeds. I like to live every time.
Open the seeds.
See, a couple of our friends, Abigail, I know you were one of them who actually cooked the seeds. You can actually cook these seeds. You put them in the oven and you can put a little bit of salt on them and you can eat them. Right, Abigail? Were they good, Abigail? Did you like how they tasted? Yeah? Yeah, that's pretty cool that you can do that. My son, we have a little Ziploc bag over here of some more seeds. Sam wants to try these out, and guess what he wants to do for next year?
Plant them.
Plant them, that's right. To
Yeah.
plant them and see if you can get a pumpkin. We did it a couple years ago, and we had this pumpkin that went all over our backyard. It was pretty crazy.
Right.
Mom,
Those pumpkins are
do you
interesting
see
when you
that?
grow them.
Oh my
They
gosh.
kind of go all over in your yard, the vines and that. If you have the opportunity to grow a pumpkin, it's really interesting to watch
Can we grow up
how they grow. All right, are we ready to get going on this experiment?
Now, Mrs. Miller will post all the ingredients. Do you know what ingredients are?
Yeah.
Ingredients are if you were going to make something, like bake something in your oven, but we're going to use ingredients to explode or make a volcano pumpkin. So, this is called vinegar.
Vinegar. Who has smelled vinegar before?
Look, we have vinegar downstairs.
Does it have an interesting smell?
Yeah. And I don't even eat them.
Like it on my potato chips and fries at the fair, but not the smell.
Good question.
We
I eat salt and vinegar potato chips. Does anyone eat salt and vinegar?
You do.
Yeah, my
You
husband
do.
does too, a lot.
Looks
I like vinegar on my french fries. But a lot of
That's in the blue
recipes have
bag?
vinegar in it too. And a lot of people don't realize it has vinegar in it.
Oh, Maddie has her hand up.
Is she?
Do you have a question, or do you like vinegar?
Vinegar.
You like vinegar.
Yeah.
All right, our next ingredient is soap. It can be any kind of soap. What do we use soap
This
for?
soap. Wash your hands.
That's right, wash our hands, and that's dish soap. So what do we put this on the dishes, right, to clean them?
Clean up. Yeah.
Okay.
This is a good one. Who knows what this is? We use a lot of these during the holidays when we make our cookies.
Food coloring.
Food coloring. Yeah. Nice job. Kiss that.
That's pretty.
That's
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a little vote because we have what color is this?
Green.
Green.
Oops.
Uh,
What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. And what color
I
is
can't
this?
move it.
Blue.
And what?
And
I
what
can't
color
move it.
is this?
No, I can't move it. I'm talking.
Yeah, it's sort of like a peachy,
Pinky pink,
yeah, pinky
right?
peach kind of.
Well, see, you
Kinda
can see them, but they can't see you because mommy has the video turned on.
I'm watching them up
Okay.
here. You'll see that it'll appear and they'll say to let them in.
Oh,
Watch 'em.
hello.
So listen, guys,
Let's vote.
we're gonna
Right.
figure out what color we should make this pumpkin explode. So
Oh, you want to make it
hands,
explain?
wave your hands, wave your hands at Mrs. Miller.
Wow.
All right, show me what one finger is. Can you show me one finger? Show me one finger. Good job. All right, put that finger down just like this. And I'm going to hold up each of these colors. And when you decide which color, you get to only pick one. You can either pick
Pink.
green,
I'll pick green.
purple,
Purple.
pink, or blue. So when I get to your color that you want me to use,
Purple.
put your finger up like this. So let's practice.
Pink.
If I hold up blue
One
and
finger.
you want blue, go just
If
like
you
this.
want blue. If you don't want blue, leave your finger
Okay,
down.
don't put
Right.
your finger down because you want
Are you
purple.
ready?
Okay,
Purple.
ready?
All right. So
No.
we're going to get started.
Take the one you want.
There we go. Much better. All right. So I'm going to start. If you want blue, put your finger up. Anyone want blue? We have two.
Green.
I thought you
Uh,
can only pick one.
We have 3 blues.
I wonder if anything's in the chat.
Oh, blue must be it. Voted for blue, so.
not
I know, but I
in
can't find, yeah,
I
because,
pick blue.
Okay, then put your finger up.
right, I want to like they said, but I don't really like
Sorry about chat. All right.
All right.
It's called your baby.
All right. Here is pink.
You want pink, put up your finger.
You already picked blue. Put down.
You don't want pink, you want blue.
Maddie, did you want pink? No, she's
No.
not.
What about purple?
Oh,
Which finger?
one,
I see one over here.
two.
2.
You don't want your finger up.
This is
You
the
want-
one that I
You
think
want blue, don't
is
you?
Yeah.
What about
You
green?
vote it.
Mrs. Miller,
You're going
put
through the
your
rest of the
finger up.
colors.
Who wants green? Green?
Hello.
Any greens?
No.
No
I
greens.
think blue's the winner.
Winner,
Yay,
winner,
winner,
chicken
chicken
dinner.
dinner.
We are going to use blue then.
Oh,
That is going to be our food color. And it is going to be kind of cool because you'll get to see it. If we can. Oh, here. Extra.
No.
Right there.
Oh, here. There's no.
There we go. All right, so you gotta watch. We're gonna put these ingredients in for our pumpkin science.
So
Yeah,
the
we
first
can
thing
try that,
Mrs.
huh?
Miller has is she has a little jar here. And we are going to go ahead and we're going to put
No,
some
I
water.
got it.
Just some plain old
Listen.
drinking water.
I got
Fill it
it.
the whole way, but she's going to fill it most of the way. We
Got
say that's 3/4. That's a fraction. Some of my kiddos from last year, we talked about that. So I have it this full, and then I'm going to take, what is this again? Who remembers what this is?
Dishwasher.
Dish soap. That's right. Good job. I'm going to put a couple drops of dish soap in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Oh, that's a lot.
that is. We're going to have
And there's bubbles.
bubbles. All right. The next thing. What is this again?
Blue.
Yeah,
What
just-
color?
Blue.
All
I'm afraid to put mine in.
I'm going to put a couple drops of food coloring in here. What do you think's going to happen when I put the drops of food coloring in?
It will turn blue.
You think it will turn the blue?
let's see
Kiss your
what-
brains. Let's see
We
what
are making a
happens.
prediction it's gonna turn blue.
1,
on over there.
2, 3,
What's that?
4, 5.
Five.
One to go.
It's turned blue.
It
turn
turned blue.
blue.
So then Mrs. Miller's going to very carefully just stir that up a little bit.
Now, typically, if we were in the classroom, we would have a bigger area and we probably wouldn't be putting in the jar in. But at home, you would want to put like some kind of jar in because it's going to go all over the place.
All right.
Okay? And make sure you have something down like these. We have like the doggy pee pads down.
What is this again?
We didn't talk about that.
We didn't talk about this.
No.
Baking soda, that's what we use.
Baking soda.
Oh, good job. Kiss your brains. It is baking soda. It doesn't really smell like anything. It's used in baking when you're making cookies. A lot of times when you make your chocolate chip cookies, you use
Makes
baking
things swell
soda.
up.
But we're going to use it in this experiment. And Mrs. Miller needs to put about 4 tablespoons in here. So can you help me count? Are you ready?
Look at my baby
One.
color. Look at my baby color.
No, they're doing it. Thanks.
2.
Ooh.
Count with your fingers with me. Ready? 3 and 4.
Okay. I'm going to stir this up a little bit. So
Oh, my baby.
this is
Mommy.
our base. This is our base. And what happens is this is just baking soda, dish soap, water, and some food coloring. Nothing really too exciting going on here. You see, it's really not that exciting. There's a few bubbles, but nothing. It's about to get exciting. So what do you think's gonna happen if we put vinegar in it?
Oh, my baby. Remember?
What do you think's gonna happen?
Oh, well, she's putting it in the pumpkin. Oops.
Oh, baby. You're falling. Oh, you're
Got it.
falling.
Yay, Mrs. Miller got it in.
Got it going on. All right, so we have that in there. And if I grab, hang on a second.
So vinegar What do you think's gonna happen when we add the vinegar to this? What can vinegar do?
Whoa.
Explode. Who said explode?
Yeah.
Yes, I see even the kitty exploding. Yep. Hi.
Pumpkin.
Look, you can see Mrs. Miller just has it sitting in there. See inside that pumpkin? Can you see there's
I can see the jar, right? Like
the
in the mouth.
jar?
In the mouth. You want me to hold it up? Can you see the jar?
Yeah.
In the mouth? Okay.
Sitting
Yeah.
in there, so that's pretty cool. All right.
All right.
Are
Are we ready?
You gotta figure out this whole vinegar thing. All right. Now,
What happens?
keep in mind, this is Mrs. Miller's kitchen.
This isn't
What
the
do you-
classroom.
What do you think's gonna happen in Mrs. Miller's kitchen? It's probably not gonna be clean anymore.
Gonna get all dirty.
You're gonna wash it all dirty.
I know, absolutely, Grayson. I
We're
think
gonna clean up.
All right, so I think that what we should do is we should count to 10. When we get to the number 10, guys, Mrs. Miller will pour in the vinegar.
What if we count backwards? Go forward, okay.
Can we go to 10?
Can we go to 10?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Here she goes. Woo!
Oh, look at this now.
Whoa.
Should I put a little more in?
Baby, look. Baby, look.
Watching you, I missed
Isn't
it.
that cool?
What? It's blowing up, Mama.
Is that cool or what?
Up, AJ?
What does that happen? Does anyone know why that happened?
Up, AJ?
Stand down.
It's because the vinegar reacts to the baking soda. The vinegar is like an acid and it reacts. It kind of
Can we try that?
takes over.
Yeah, we get to try it.
Takes over. Pretty cool, isn't it?
But only outside, okay?
What do
I
you
don't want
think?
Make a mess.
Is this something you could try at home?
No. Give me a
No, if you have a pumpkin in the
Under
ingredient.
You know when the best time to do this experiment is? After Halloween, when you're done with your pumpkin and your
Mhm.
pumpkin is ready to go in the trash. Because if you do it now, Mrs. Miller has to throw this pumpkin away. She can't use it because it has all this food coloring and baking soda in it. So the best time to explode a pumpkin is sometimes after Halloween, especially when it's our really pretty pumpkins that we put on our porch. But if you have an extra pumpkin, you can try it anytime. And if you do it, can you send me a photo of it that you
Yes.
did it? Can you share to Mrs. Pitzer and I? We would love to see if you exploded a pumpkin. What do
Okay.
you think? Yeah?
No.
Smile.
Mom,
What do you think?
I want to explode a pumpkin.
Yeah?
Hey,
Yeah.
send us like if you decorated a pumpkin. Send us that too. And if you put pumpkin seeds, if you're carving a pumpkin, anything you're doing with your pumpkins this week and next week, okay?
Yeah, Mrs. Miller hasn't started too much with pumpkin yet. Sometimes you have to wait until like the week before Halloween because if you do it too early, then they get kind of gross and rotten. Does anyone want to share what you're going to be for Halloween? Is anyone dressing up for Halloween? Yeah? What are you going to be?
A witch. No. Very bad. I want to be a unicorn.
Slimy.
Oh my goodness,
No.
a unicorn.
Very bad. I'll be a witch.
A witch,
witch.
a unicorn. What else? Kristen, what are you going to be? Kirsten, what are you going to be?
I hear what you're gonna be.
There we Godzilla.
A what? Say it one more time.
Godzilla.
Okay. Olivia, what are you going to be?
No, baby. Ladybug. No biting.
Whoa.
I'm gonna be a youth.
Send us pictures of you in your costumes next week.
Yeah. I'll be a witch.
Love
Hey, oh, baby. No. I'll be a unicorn witch. I'll get you up,
Which
baby.
would be pretty
You want me to get you up,
cool. I bet you-
baby?
Stay up here.
How many of you will we see tomorrow or on Friday? Is anyone coming over Friday?
It's us.
Raise your hand.
Are you coming over to my house? Wait, I have to
Not their house. We're gonna go pick up your tablet.
get my tablet?
Two.
What do you mean?
We'll see.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a.
Does anyone have a story to tell? Anything?
I
Maddie.
Be a witch.
Okay, you said that.
I want to say it again. I'm saying it again, okay? It's in my class. So don't say anything. I'll go
Grace and Griffith. What are you going to be for Halloween?
Godzilla.
Oh, God,
You have got to send pictures. You have
For
got to see
sure.
pictures. Hey, listen.
I'll be a witch.
Something? Yeah, that's okay. She doesn't.
Oh, wait, a surprise.
My nose is going down.
Look
Oh, look.
The dog is brown.
Yep, the dog is grown.
Oh, mommy.
My hair. Will you please? That hurts.
Thanks.
That's cute.
I
It
added.
hurts.
I'm the pet the puppy.
Her name is Lucy. Lucy Lou. She,
Does hurt.
yeah, she kind of had a sick belly this morning. I took Lucy with me to take Sam to school, and she threw up in my car.
Doesn't hurt.
Fine now.
Can I grab a snack?
No, it's almost done.
Can I grab my witch food?
No.
Why? You're not the boss of me when I'm doing school.
No.
I can get my
This will be posted in Dojo.
We had some late and we recorded,
feel my witch food.
and you can
My
rewatch.
nose is bleeding.
You don't make it easy here.
It's bleeding in there. We must fly. At the bathroom, we must fly.
Man. Yeah, hi.
Hi. Hi. I'm sorry.
If you want to watch this again, we'll put it on Dojo. See you guys on Friday. To see you Friday. I'm so excited to see you again. That's right. I think that maybe we can do another good job with these. What do you think? Do you want to do thumbs up? Another Zoom.
You want to
All right, we're almost out of time with these. We only have so long to be on, and then they shut us off. So we will see you all maybe Friday. Wave goodbye. Can you wave goodbye?
Wave goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
All right, guys, we will see you later.
Bye. Okay, how shall I?